Okay, Garrett, this is to show you how to go in and see what anybody has done in a specific activity in your classroom. So I'm going to go into your course, which is the Business 110 course, and I have it pulled up now. And this little, looks like a wheel thing over here is the admin button. I think you've probably used it before. We are going to go into something called reports. Then we're going to go into something called logs. And this logs the activity of what goes on in your classes. So let me move this over here so you can see. Your class, you want all participants. Now you can do it by days, but because it's today, but you can change the days. We don't want all activities because that'll take forever. So we're going to go over here, toggle down, and find Week 1 live lecture. So we're going to pull that up and then come back over here. I have to get these logs. Now it's going to pull up everyone that has logged into this particular activity. So I'm going to scroll down and you will see all the way down that at 3:07 you tried to log in and it didn't work, did it? So when you're looking at something like this live video, or live lecture, you need to be pretty cognizant of the times that you're looking for. So we want to look at anybody that has logged in after 5:45. So we have Jewel Allen, if you look, logged in at 5:47. You see what I'm talking about? And she keeps logging in, but anybody, there's where you logged in. Anybody that logged in should be considered there for your live. I'm just looking at names now. You had some people come in late. There's somebody at 6:21. I would say take everybody up until 6:35. There's somebody that logged in at 7 o'clock. I'm going to assume that class was over by 7 o'clock. So Haley, who I've actually had in my class, from Haley at 6:35 in the evening all the way back to 5:47, well, actually 5:50. So all the people in between that time frame, I would consider them as being present during the live lecture. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to see if I see names that are the same. 6, 7, 8, 9 people, I think, that attended. I'm going to let you go through and look at the names, but I think there were 9 people that attended. And you can do this for any of the activities in your classroom. So I'm going to get out of this one, just go back into Introduction to Business, and just show you again real quick. We're going to go over here to the wheel, hit Reports, and then look at Logs. And let's try something different, just so that you can see how this works. Instead of live lecture, let's just say, let's see anybody who has looked at the syllabus. I have to come back over here because get these logs, and you will see everybody that has logged in to look at the syllabus. Isn't that pretty neat? So that gives you an idea of what's going on. You can see the people who have and haven't looked at your syllabus and any of the activities in your course room you can do this for. So it's reports and then logs. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope things went good tonight. Talk to you later. Call me if you need me. Bye.